Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot, and what will they look into today? Will they look into different issues? We tell now say yes, say Oga Femi Gbajabiamila, after due consultation, after due drama for House over time, they don't do it. They don't appoint Femi Gbajabiamila as the leader of the House of Representatives, and they also as appoint Al Hassan Dogawa. Dogawa, yes. Dogowa as the chief whip. They can also appoint Buba Jubri, who come from Kogi State, as the deputy leader. Al Hassan Ado Dogowa. Okay, now I don't mention that name before. Okay, and also Pali Iriase as the deputy whip. We get Oga Badebo here to they also follow us talk the matter on ground, and then the different drama and the anticipation way Nigerians they expect from this at least agreement where people don't agree. For us to know how to move forward. So, Oga Badebo, yes, you were talking before I collect the talk from your mouth. Cause me will go drink water, small. Right. Make you continue from where you stop.
So as I talk, the corruption matter is a serious matter, and we suppose support our president as he won't put all these institutions in place to tackle all these people that have been stealing our money. You know, and I believe that as he supports EFCC, you see, as EFCC just started the work, even before he talk anything, you know, he never starts his own war against corruption. But EFCC, because of
he talks, he never started his own war against corruption.
He never starts
because if in all sincerity we won't really fight corruption, then catch the people then catch. These same people, they build themselves with some kind huge amount of money. So how would they talk say yes, really, corruption is being fought?
No, you can't.
That's why I say yes, that talk where you talk never start your own.
Yes, but it's good before. If person they prison, they will give them 2 million naira bill, 3 million naira bill. When I see 250 million naira bill, I happy. I don't say they don't serious, you know. So our judges too, they're supposed to shine light for the matter, do good job, you know. And EFCC, ICPC, make them continue waiting they don't start, because if like say their body don't hot as well.
Make it hot too. Make their body hot, because we need that hotness.
Oga Gbadebo, you know, say we don't talk and say over the years we don't see say our country, the money when would they get, majorly from oil, when they make many of the states go line up, they collect money. And like one way no fit pay salary now for the past how many months, but he get
the
helicopter.
The same way some with this now and when no fit pay waiting they fit pay
the same way when one when no fit pay salary. Go snap picture, come put the big this thing for not let me talk.
10 months, 13 months salary. Wait, for Benny, you never talk about that. Mind yourself.
Who is cutting who now?
No,
who is cutting who now? Who is cutting who? I'm not fighting with you. You ask your question. Allow me to ask my own question.
You are fighting me.
Why you not allow me? Make I decorate my question. People they go center go collect money. Including all the money when they collect one never fit pay salary for the past how many months now. Allow me land with my question. Okay. Now, we don't talk say we want diversify. That is the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the uncommon change and the transformer of Nigeria destiny. The man been triumph. We can't say, okay, agriculture, even cocoa, gari and all those things. We can't see improvement. Now, if we talk about diversifying, how you take things, say, for this country now, we go command the eye of people onto maybe suit and tie work, say this thing, make them come enter inside farm, so that we go free they make some extra money or even more for this our country since it be like say, oh, you don't the red.
Oil don't red, true. No be just to enter farm. We need to process the thing where they get from farm. You know, no reason why now only orange will go the farm. We're supposed to make them to juice, we're supposed to make them to concentrate, you know. For nuts, 70% of the orange where then they make there, they spoil for farm. But for Lagos, we go import almost $1.5 billion worth of concentrate into Lagos in a year. Now, when you process all these our things we will get yafu for here in agriculture, we will create plenty jobs, create plenty employment. And all over the world now, they want original food.
Original,
authentic. That
is natural
food, natural food. and we get them yafu for here. If we now come process them, export them, because you know, say now, because you know they produce anything, dollar don't high, pound don't high, dollar now don't reach almost 260, 270. Why? Because everybody they import. As you they import, you go just the request for more dollar. But if you they export, people go they pay you with dollar. So dollar go they enter your economy. You understand?
You know why? Because of this answer we don't give. Somehow I no converse say that is September before we go get minister. Because with the way we don't answer this thing now, I know say somehow it be like say left for me you suppose don't become left for me you suppose even fit qualify. But we know as some people they do because if like they won't collect that name here first before they carry and go that place. We go take Oga Chukwudi. Not they look me like that. Oga Chukwudi all the way from Owerri to contribute for this matter. Not they use you see, I know they fear you. I know they fear you.
Oga Chukwudi,
me.
good morning.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Yeah.
Oga Chukwudi, my brother, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi from Owerri, my brother.
Yeah. Oga Rhodes, with the studios. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. I like us when they discuss the matter as they hot so. But waiting at the one talk for that matter concerning the House of National Assembly. They say, waiting be the fate of Southeast as they take share the position of that leadership for that lower house. Southeast, like Chukwudi say, no be to bring one person from one section with the matter, but make proper person where go do the job with the person where they there. But you know, say for this country, we get so many geopolitical zones. Southeast now for the equation, the day off. That one a truth. Now, secondly, we say my governor will follow Oga Buhari go America, come back. Wait till he come back now to come show us big billboard where he takes snap picture, shook hand with Obama. What did that one come in? As the state we dey now, for the past months, workers never get their money. As I talk now, Imo State they on strike.
Thank you. Direct the thing to direct and give Nkubi. You dey hear?
So my brother, make una know how I go take advice this matter. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukwudi. Oga Rhodes, you don't see as Oga Chukwudi don't talk now at 1-0. Now be the scores now.
They count something. I don't want you to make you know they give me this.
You know if you want me, I know they count.
I have every right to, don't give me count here.
You can't want me to not to. You can't want me not to count. Why not go they count?
Ogo Biora, just hold on there. May I collect this call? May I collect? Just hold on there. No talk. Ogo Biora, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Ogo Biora.
Our visitor, good morning. Welcome to the program. I'll be the host.
Thank you.
I see what I want to say. You know, everything will get beginning, get an end. So this their fight. At the end now, they happy. They don't end. And again, they look for APC because you know when you promise a child something, the child will be always asking of that. So we are always looking for the change that they promise Nigeria. You know, and again, if Southeast of a thing, you know, one thing is happening, you know where it's going. You know APC, you know people that have APC. You know APC, the owner of APC. So we Southeast, anything that happens in this government, we take it with faith. And we pray that they will do what they're supposed to do. And again, you know, when you have a visitor, one husband and wife, usually in the fact, you know, you're supposed to respect ourselves small now, so that the visitor...
My hand is clean.
Oga from Yola, thank you very much. You know, say yesterday you be talk the same thing. Say make Nkubi stop to the attack.
You don't mention my name. You say make me and you.
All the way from
Chukwudi. First call your name before you call my name. Say Chukwudi. Call it 3 times. Can't say Nkubi.
Okay. The first person name when they call. Now they always the day innocent. The people. The two thief way. The two thief way.
Our guys, may we stay ask. Mind yourself. Back to our question. We talk about natural food. Say, and so they produce, make sure say it is natural. Okay, we will come carry and enter into some things where we say right about now. Just like say it they affect now like. People they see them as advantage, some people they see them as disadvantage. The issue of GMO. But before you go enter into that one, make we collect this call from Joseph. Joseph, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Joseph. Joseph, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Okay, Joseph, right on.
Good morning.
Right on, we hear you. We hear you.
Yes, I greet all of una there.
Thank you.
Do well. I get a question I want to ask Nkobi.
Okay, are they here?
Nkobi, as they don't share everything now for National Assembly,
okay.
Are you promising me that they are not going to fight again? That's what I want to know.
See,
Oga Joseph,
the husband of Berry.
Are you telling Nigeria now that APC, they are not going to fight
Oga
again?
Joseph,
that's what I want to know.
And wait, see, we are humans.
Are you telling Nigeria now that APC...
I mean, bring down the volume of your television, make you hear me. We are humans. And because of say we'll be human, before we even say we won't get anything right, at least issues they day, disagreement they day, controversy they day. Why they do me like this?
What I do you?
Controversy they day. And in the end, when they come together, you go see say they will find that perfect ground to take result that time. Make sure say everybody.
After 49 days, perfect ground after 49 days. Who could be for just how many positions 49 days? Ministerial list, how many there go be? It go take us 490 days. Who could be God Pasuna? God Pasuna. So if Oga President don't get 20 minutes meeting, they don't go settle their quarrel.
Answer our question.
This GMO matter now, serious matter. Now this big company where they obodo.
Because the reason why they are saying, if we won't really know, say, would they enter into agriculture and the sector we need to develop, we could also know, say, would they enter into something we get to do with life? Because now what will they eat? So continue.
All of us they chop. Whether you get money, you don't get money, you know. So our agriculture, we need to give it. Our government needs to give it support. In terms of, you know, transportation system, so that food way they for farm for north go fit come south easily, cooler, you know, go spoil on top road, you know, and all of these kind of things. Support our farmer with loans and all this kind of thing. But now, this our former agriculture minister. The man won't come bring all this American company where they make all these unnatural products. Then go change the thing where they inside the seed. Talk say they grow more. Rapidly. But you know they grow. And for America, scientists don't chook eye on top the matter. Say this thing they cause disease. It don't link to obesity, you know, reproductive failure, plenty matter. And then even for on top the money matter, if our farmers plant this seed next year, they no fit save them. They no fit use them again next year. They have to go back to this same company and buy again from them.
But if we go ask, they say these things get advantage. Like one of the advantages, say they enhance the gene of that particular crop.
No, you know they enhance them. See, if for instance now, I want marry woman and I want make her pikin tall pass me, I go marry woman with tall, abi? But if I want to say no, I no go want marry woman with tall, I go inside lab, go look the cell, go change them inside there, come put something inside, make the pikin tall. No be natural pikin again. You don't know wetin the pikin fit born. The eye no go dey work well, or the ear no go dey work well, you know, because you want turn to God on top the matter. But if we use our thing as a day natural like this, support them, give our farmers all the things where they need, you know, support them, then we go grow, feed they export all these kind of products.
Okay, but this is the way you just talk, you don't paint perfect picture. If we want diversify, make we diversify, but make we try. Do them the way when it's supposed to be, because we no go start today, the thing go turn gold today. And I go relate them with waiting don't happen for our National Assembly, because some people just gather together just like this thing when they lab. You understand? They can't come say they won't come out government. They can't dey there 49 days. They call it. This is where you just talk now. That the perfect way we use describe what happen for National Assembly. But we hope say just like we won't go natural for our agriculture. We don't believe say as Senator Ike Ekweremadu now when the PDP they elect him to be deputy Senate president. We know say everything not set, and we know we'll get picky when say he go get one eye, he go get one leg, he go get one hand. Now God carry you come this show today. because I dey always dey talk and say I dey always dey pray to God every night. Say make God dey bring people wey me say when dem come our show, if we dey talk things wey me say Nigerians, if they help Nigerians, make them continue to dey talk and they go. If not be the way we say maybe I don't know, I for just they pray for you. Say make God all dey bless you, make you dey
Ask your question. Ask your question. Wetin be all this sina thesis abi na wetin I call am?
Okay. Why you be say as I dey talk before I even ask the question, your body don dey pepper you. You
What I'm saying, go straight to ask your question now. Because they give us memorandum, they give us this thing, they give us long speech.
Okay.
The article they deliver.
Oga Gbadebo, we don see say some countries for this world now they get plenty power. In the sense say these countries na countries wey we say they go come meet you, but for under you get one influence when they get. They go tell you say if you want this help, you must collect this one. Now we can't need government when go get a strong mind to talk say because of say we put our people first, we no go allow these kind of things because we don't see stories of these GMOs most especially. I no go call the name of the countries, but you get countries where we say they go come, they go talk say una need help maybe to build road or to do this. We go give una the help, but make una allow maybe this thing enter the country.
Yeah.
How you take things say our government first, maybe through legislations, that's law when they put down and say government stand where they don't go agree, say maybe these people use backyard, don't spoil our country.
My brother, I don't talk correct matter.
I dey always talk correct matter now.
It seems me say, you don't even need to hide the country. I go mention the country, America, all of the European Union. You don't see what they do, Greece, IMF, World Bank. They go do like say they won't help us. They won't help us. But like you talk, they go chook plenty things under this thing.
Not true.
They know they help us since when? Since 80s. See us we still there. You know if you stand by yourself if you dey always wait for person make them carry.
And we just go ask them for help self recently.
Even that one is okay. We know they make weapons. We want our money we dey for their country and we want weapons. That's now we want. For us in Africa to stand, we must look ourselves inside and say, how can we do it? When we do like that, then we'll go stand, kakaraka, we'll go stand strong. But if we always look for loan here, loan there, the person will collect that loan, no being go pay am. Now the president will come after. Now the thing will happen to Greece. Now, if you see Greece now, they don't even fit. Come on, they don't fit. They don't fit anything. So if you remember one president, Thomas Sankara for Burkina Faso, now he talk say, all this loan, all this thing, no be the way. May we look at ourselves, see, okay, how we do this thing? What thing we need?
Thank you.
How we go do and buy ourselves? Because that's now why all this dollar they high like this. Yes. Because everything now import.
Make you no be like say I collect the talk from your mouth, but as you don't call Thomas Sankara, come talk about say make we dey look ourselves. We self won't look ourselves now enter market for this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll come look ourselves more to see how within ourselves we go fit help make our agriculture, most especially to move our country forward. We dey come back now still as it dey hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television wey dey inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195. You know, say every weekday from 10 go reach 11 with a carry topic where they come out smoke inside the Nigeria political arrangement as it take concern everybody inside Nigeria to chook mouth for the matter so that those when concerned will take the necessary action. Ezugu Chukwudi, Nkubi, and Oga Gbadebo Roads, they're inside house to discuss one very important issue, and the issue get to do with our National Assembly. Everybody mind don't come down because it be like say they don't settle, and we they look forward how to move this country forward. One of the ways where we call the look now say, okay, since we don't talk and say, oh yeah, for our country, the matter don't red, make we diversify, that is, make we shift. And people talk say, before oil come, agriculture, that is, planting and growing, now the number one thing when we say our economy they depend on. We won't go back on top of farm. Oga Roads get plenty information as they concerned that way, and we go move. They answer the questions they go.
Yes, Oga Gbadebo, you get this important question I want to also ask. Okay, we don't say yes. As our population day, it just be like say our population they reduce for Nigeria, for the entire world. It just be like say the population of people wey dey this world just dey increase every day. And we also bear in mind say as the population dey increase, na so people dey also dominate more land. And no be say the land dey also increase because we get a particular you understand hectare wey everybody dey occupy. Okay, make we also look and say, shey you know fit say because of the increasing number of people wey the world don dey get, and because of say land don dey too dey to say wan take plant food and all that, maybe na him call for this quick intervention of GMO to talk say, okay, make we bring in something, technology where we say we go dey make food dey grow quick, so we will fit dey at least meet up with the demand of the population of the world.
That's a good question. But you know, this thing where you talk, na propaganda from the West too. They go talk and like say your population a problem. Our population no be our problem, our strength. All the people for this world, they fit inside New Zealand, and they go live like say then they live in New York.
All the people within this world.
All the people within this world.
Inside this world.
All the people within inside this world. They fit for New Zealand.
New Zealand.
And live like say na New York with them day. Why?
All the people within this world.
If you fly inside plane, just look down. We be like Anto.
Okay.
We get land is big, oh. Don't be say because if you just drive like this, or if you say one person, how much land the person has. That's one. And two, this GMO matter, you know we say the thing they grow fast. Now it just be like say person won't hold you. Say now only from am you go get all your food. That's not the thing. This company go change the seed. Come talk say now in get this seed. Come talk say you know fit save the seed where you don't use plants. Every year you must come meet me. And when you calculate how much you go to pay for the seed, then go to think in dollars. But you know, our dollars of last year no be the dollars of this year.
At all.
So all our farmer flip to all this currency exchange matter problem.
Quickly, we'll go take this call from Abuja. Amote, they call us from Abuja. Oga Amote, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Amote.
Good morning.
Yeah. Will they hear you right on?
Morning. So
yeah, right. I better bring down the volume of your television.
Okay, thank you. So, for my own contribution, we even thank God for Mr. President. So, the way Mr. President is follow all those corruption people, we thank God where God bring him. So, we even thank God that he removed the Commander General of Civil Defense. We even need the man to send EFCC for that man for all those volunteers for how many years where they don't even pay their money. And Jonathan, when they interviewed Jonathan that time, Jonathan said he always release that money every month or every time. So, and the man walk away with that money. We beg Mr. President to find out from that Ade Abolore. Please. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oga Amote say still on the way when we say we will take tackle corruption. Say as Oga President don't decide, say okay, some people won't chop our money, make them return them. Say make we follow them, reach the end. And you be in the flow, make it not be like say we cut the flow.
No problem. So as I talk, this matter, it be like say person just won't control all our food supply. That is not a good idea. As we did Boku for Nigeria, we suppose control our food supply. We suppose they produce food, we suppose they process the food, and suppose they export and chop our own natural food. Because for Africa, the natural food where we like.
Now we believe in it.
Now we believe in that. Now why, even with all this wahala we did this place, all of us, we still dey healthy. Our population, they increase. Not be everywhere where population, they increase. Population, they go down for plenty places where reach past us. But because you go see our people for village, they go drink, they go take soup, fresh vegetable. Nature. You understand? But these people, they won't come change all these things, but they don't go tackle the matter we don't they disturb our farmers.
Very true.
We know they allow all their products. If you see for North, even for Southwest, even for Mile 12, you see all this basket of tomato where they will just abandon, where they don't spoil. Why? Because they process our tomato for here.
Very true.
How go they make all this thing? We know they process and we go still they import all this tomato paste.
Oga Gbadebo, if we allow you continue this talk, because we know as we don't enter diversification of the economy, say the thing, you don't begin the talk, they go. But we go promise our people when they watch, say you go come back again.
No problem.
And we go come look this our economy as far as we go take diversify, make you come talk on top of farm. well.
I
Our people when they for us, we always dey talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Anyhow, when the team be, make we put our country first. Before you talk, say I dey go church, I dey go mosque, or I get backyard where I dey do the thing. Before you talk, say na Yoruba they speak, na Igbo, na Hausa, na TV, na Nupe, or any language. All of us na children of the same mama Nigeria. And if it better for us, it don't better for all of us. Oga Gbadebo Roads. Thank you very much. Say you carry waka enter inside our studio today. We go shake your hand again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jared. Tomorrow, our viewers.
Thank you.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.